Wow, that's meticulous work. Oil and grease everywhere. Got to be thorough. I can see the potential. The garage smells faintly of fresh paint. This is interior carpets vacuumed and brushed. The buyer slides his hand across the steering wheel. The tint is perfect, so sleek. And this windshield, it's like a mirror. Incredible. This car has soul. Paint finishing touch applied for every surface polished to mirror perfection. Sunlight hits the gloss. Buyer takes a step back, admiring. I can't believe it. It's absolutely flawless. Every dent and rust is gone. Doors open smoothly, hinges silent and perfect. The interior invites a closer inspection. Every knob and lever restored to original. Trunk is spotless, spare tire, perfect, looks good. Let me check. Every surface is shiny, excellent work. So, what's the story with this car?
It's seen better days. Rust ate the undercarriage.
Fascinating. Tires at perfect pressure, suspension alignment checked, looks good. Let's see the stance. Perfectly balanced, impressive. Final engine check, everything tuned and smooth. The purr of the motor is music to the ears, impressed by the mechanical perfection. I need this car. Garage lights highlight the glossy paint. The car now looks like a showroom piece. The buyer smiles, imagining it on the road. Incredible detail. Hoses are spotless, and every bolt is perfectly aligned. This is masterful work. This is a dream car. Interior cleaned again for perfection. Every corner dust-free, the leather smooth. This car is perfect. Suspension is so smooth. This ride is amazing. All done. She's perfect. Wow, she looks incredible. Glad you think so. Thank you. I can't believe this is real. Wow, that roar is perfect. Every part, flawless, a complete transformation. This car is a masterpiece. All right, just sign right here. Great, here you go. And the keys, she's all yours. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, it's incredible. Glad I could help. Safe travels. Look at it go.